Hi everyone. So it's that time of year again, almost Christmas, and you realise you haven't got all the presents you think you should have. I've got two daughters, one's coming up to 3 and one's coming up to 7, and this is for my 7-year-old. She has her birthday literally 4 days after Christmas, so she ends up having a birthday a birthday party and a Christmas basically. Um, so it's a case of what do you get? Do you buy dolls or the usual sort of plastic bits and pieces? She likes Lego, so we've got some Lego. But she's at that age now where she's asking questions about the world, like where do tigers come from, how many people live here, etc., etc. So I saw this online and I thought it might be a good idea. It's educational. So I just thought I'd share it with you guys in case it might be an idea for yourselves, in case you like me and left everything till last minute, 2 weeks to go, and you don't know what to get. The Argos had this on offer with 20% off. I think it worked out about £48, something like that. But I'm sure you will find it cheaper or similar deals if you look around, if you like the look of it. So this is a quick little look at the ball. Well, it's a globe, you can spin it, but it's all computerised. Now it actually says try me, so it does look like it actually comes with batteries, which is good. So what we'll do is we'll just have a quick look, see what it actually does.
Welcome to the Magic Adventures Globe. Use the stylus to travel around the world and discover people, places, animals, and much more. With over 5 hours of video from the BBC, play 3 exciting games. Download additional content packs like dinosaurs and people and inventions. Help build a lifetime of learning with the Magic Adventures Globe.
So what I thought I'd do is I just open it up and have a quick little try without taking it out of its packaging. I take it, you turn the power on.
Welcome to the Magic Adventures Globe. Use the stylus to travel around the world.
There we go, I think it's doing something.
Countries. Use the stylus to touch the globe and learn about the world's countries.
Okay, we'll try that. Let's have a look. Where shall we have our holiday? Oh, let's go to China.
The People's Republic of China. China is the largest country in Asia and has roughly 1/5 of the world's population. This Asian country's vast area is the 3rd largest in the world, and its culture and its civilization go back thousands of years. China is one of the great cradles of world's animals. Geology.
Alright, let's try geology, see what that does.
Purple geology icons on the globe.
That's these little triangles we're looking for then.
To learn more about them.
There's one there.
Mount Everest. The highest point on Earth is Mount Everest. Everest is one of the Himalayas of some landmarks. Capitals. Use the stylus to touch the globe and learn about the world's capital cities. New Delhi. New Delhi is the capital city of India.
So you get the idea. Looks like there's
Languages.
plenty of
Flags. Currency.
there's quite a lot of things.
Use the stylus to touch the globe and learn about each country's population. India. India has nearly 1.3 billion people and a total land area of roughly 3.3 million square kilometers. Mix it up. Continents. Country. Animal. Geology. Landmark.
Right, so it cycles back around. So I mean, first impressions, it's educational, it's not an annoying volume. You can turn it up and down by the looks of it there, and turn the brightness up on the screen. Nice touch, it does come with the batteries. So yeah, I don't know what else really I can say about that. Hopefully you found it useful. Hopefully I can pack this all back up without anyone noticing. I mean, I've only had the stylus out, so I don't think she'll notice, to be honest. I think she'll be too giddy just to play with it. But yeah, that's not a bad little present, I think, that. So I hope you found that useful. Maybe it gives you an idea for what to get one of your little ones if you're running a bit behind like me still. So there we have it. It's the Magic Adventures Globe by Leapfrog. I got mine from Argos online, but I'm sure you can find it elsewhere, Amazon, etc. As I say, it seems quite a nice little thing. So I hope you found that useful, and thanks for watching. And if you don't watch again before Christmas, have a nice Christmas.